Every morning, before the sun even begins to rise, I make it a point to set aside 5 minutes for meditation. It's become a sacred ritual for me, a time to center myself and prepare for the day ahead. As I sit cross-legged on my cushion, I take a deep breath in and exhale slowly, feeling the tension leave my body with each breath. I close my eyes and focus on my breath, the rise and fall of my chest, the cool air entering my nostrils and the warm air leaving. I let go of any thoughts that come to mind, allowing them to drift away like clouds in the sky. It's not always easy to quiet my mind, but with practice, I've learned to let go of distractions and simply be in the present moment. As I continue to breathe deeply, I feel a sense of calm wash over me. The worries and stresses of the day ahead fade away, replaced by a feeling of peace and tranquility. I feel connected to something greater than myself, a sense of unity with the universe. I focus on my body, scanning from head to toe, noticing any areas of tension or discomfort. I send my breath to these areas, willing them to relax and release. I feel the tension melt away, leaving me feeling light and free. I bring my attention back to my breath, feeling the rhythm of my inhales and exhales. I count each breath, focusing on the sensation of air entering and leaving my body. With each breath, I feel more grounded and centered, ready to face whatever challenges the day may bring. As the 5 minutes come to an end, I slowly open my eyes and take a moment to appreciate the stillness and peace that surrounds me. I feel grateful for this time I've set aside for myself, a time to nourish my mind, body, and soul. I rise from my cushion feeling refreshed and rejuvenated, ready to start the day with a sense of clarity and purpose. The benefits of my morning meditation extend far beyond those 5 minutes, shaping the way I approach each moment of the day. I carry the sense of peace and calm with me as I go about my morning routine, feeling more present and mindful in each task. I notice the beauty in the small moments, the way the sunlight filters through the trees, the sound of birds chirping in the distance. As I go about my day, I find that I am more patient and compassionate with others, more able to let go of stress and worry. I am better able to focus on the task at hand, to be fully present in each moment. My morning meditation has become a cornerstone of my daily routine, a time to connect with myself and with the world around me. It sets the tone for the day ahead, infusing each moment with a sense of peace and mindfulness. I am grateful for this practice, for the way it has transformed my life and allowed me to be more fully present in each moment. I know that no matter what challenges may come my way, I can always return to my breath, to the stillness and peace that reside within me. And so I continue to set aside those 5 minutes each morning, to sit in silence and stillness, to connect with myself and with the universe. It is a simple practice, but one that has brought me immeasurable joy and peace. And for that, I am truly grateful.